In this demonstration, we'll demonstrate how you use Dynamics 365 Business Central in the role of the business owner. Now, we all know that the business owner for any small and medium business is involved with a lot of aspects of the operation of the business. Everything from how to manage cash, target and attract new customers, maintain relationships with existing customers, controlling expenses, and of course, hiring, retaining good employees, and so on. For this demonstration, we'll focus on four key areas. That is, number one, we'll review the health of the business. Then we'll segue into how does the owner of a business identify trends and opportunities using our solutions. We'll review customer history, and then again, overall arching message around managing the business. So in the first step, right, in terms of review the health of the business, one of the challenges or priorities for any business owner is to have a clear understanding of the entire health of a business. Too often business owners just don't have a clear understanding of how they're doing with sales, with inventory levels, inventory valuations, project overruns, and even margins. So as you can see here, when you're logged into Business Central for the first time, you'll notice there's a wealth of information directly on the homepage. Now, this Business Manager role homepage is on display, and that's what I'm using to demonstrate the owner. But it offers a quick access to key metrics and activities to connect this individual to what they need immediately at their fingertips. Now, as we scroll down, you'll see here that the owner gets, again, a quick glance of key indicators in the business assistant part. They get key indicators that help drive the business. But in addition to that, on the right-hand side of the page, you'll see that we can incorporate Power BI charts and graphs very easily, and that provides additional intelligent insights or context for that owner. Now let's go ahead and scroll up, and you'll see here up at the top left, highlighted here, I have this Intelligent Cloud Insights. And this page shows four key areas of interest for most businesses. That's going to be cash availability, sales profitability, net income, and the inventory value. So you can see here are those key performance indicators. In addition to having the Power BI reports on my homepage, I can also have them on display here in the Intelligent Cloud Insights. Now I'll click in, the primary interest any business is cash on hand, as that clearly demonstrates the health of the business. And so the owner has quick insights into that by drilling into the tile. Now after confirming the business is healthy, the owner decides to review additional intelligence cues on the homepage. So we'll close that out. You'll see here under the insights, we notice that we have 10 customers who are late in paying. So when I drill into that, again, you can see all those customers with several payments long overdue. It's probably time for the owner to put his or her collection hat on and call that customer. We'll close that window out, and that kind of wraps up that first section here. Now, the next area I wanted to talk about was identifying trends, which can be timely, could be frustrating, and a laborious process that often requires a lot of data manipulation and intimacy of the underlying data. In many companies, this is a very manual process, oftentimes heavily relies on Excel and that common navigation of export to Excel, and then the analysis is subjective. Well, Power BI transforms your company's data into rich visualizations for you to collect, organize, and allows business owners to kind of focus on what matters most to them. Now, as you would expect in a Microsoft solution here, the navigation to go from Business Central into my cloud Power BI dashboard is simply up here in the top left. And you'll see here by toggling, I can navigate to any one of the applications that we have licensed with Microsoft. I'm going to open up the Power BI dashboard. And here you'll see that I have my dashboard, all of my current recent favorites, as well as the frequent ones I tend to open up. And we'll open up this one right here. You'll see I get to my financial report, and this is where I see that rich, deep visualization that enables me to consume data and make good decisions for the business. Now I can select recent Once I've kind of looked at this financial dashboard, I'll click on the recent, and you can see here again all the different reports, dashboards, some spreadsheets that I have included in here as well to my workspace. Uh, but what I think makes our solution very unique is that we leverage all the innovations that are happening elsewhere at Microsoft. For example, this light bulb, it's called Quick Insights, and it's a component of Power BI which provides additional insight based on trends, historical, and as well as provides forecasts. So this insights feature is built on a growing set of advanced analytical algorithms that have been developed by Microsoft Research and that we are able to leverage and incorporate into the experience. So when I click on that Quick Insights, again, it displays these what there is referred to as cards. These are the results of data analysis. So I can see different aspects of my business. So while I can comb through spreadsheets and graphs in any solution, using the insights here provides me additional context, right? As far as outliers or any other trends that I might see if I scroll down. Again, I can see that, for example, I've got this item number 20 and 11 have noticeably more actual uh, balance variance compared to the others. I'll select back to recent, and I alluded to this earlier, but we can also incorporate Excel data, right? So again, additional insights from my Excel data all within a single location. And then you'll notice here, if I click into the Business Central, into the financial data where we had started, one of the features is that ability to not just have clear insight and visualization, but oftentimes the owner has the need for this data to be portable, to take offline, but yet remain connected and online. And so, what I mean by that is, as an example, is running to meet with shareholders, stakeholders, investors. Uh, the business owner can take their dashboard from Power BI and export that into PowerPoint. And then, just as I could in PowerPoint, I now have a snapshot of the data that I had online, but now I have it in a format that's more meaningful to my board members. Now, as I advance the slide, you can see next, you can also, if you do have an internet connection, users can then drill in and still navigate into the chart themselves. Again, assuming I'm connected to the internet, I could just drill in and that will authenticate. It opens up Power BI. I'm back online, and then I can drill into the details here. So I've got 2019 and 18. I can drill in, and on the 2019 data, I can drill into the quarter by quarter. So expanding the detail to review those results. The third step was to review the customer history. Here again, I can toggle or return back to Business Central simply by opening up the app switcher on the top left. I'll select on Dynamics 365. Now, all of my Dynamics applications that I have licensed, whether that's our customer engagement or talent, customer service insights, as well as Business Central, and I can even shortcut directly into the customer list. So here you see I've got my customers, and then to drill into the customer statement with Tray Research selected, I use the drill down into statistics to get, again, within a few clicks, I'm able to quickly and easily access the information I need specific to this particular customer. I'll close out of that window. And then the last step was to manage the business, right? So during discovery, your team learned the importance of reporting and how to help that organization manage the business. In this demonstration, we'll show you how easy it is to monitor cash and ensure that it's positive to say that, hey, we're still in business. So up at the top right here, you'll notice that I have these Excel reports. These are one of the many reporting options available within Business Central. And you can see here, these are refreshable Excel reports. Go ahead and see that aged account receivable report, and we can close that out. Now search, this is a global search capability that allows users to quickly locate the information they need to perform tasks to achieve their goals. So we can either use keyboard shortcut, the Alt key with the letter Q, or you could just use that little magnifying glass. We'll type in customer balance, and you'll notice the three options I have. I'm interested in the trial balance. And here you see I can just get a quick preview in this format that's embedded online to get a quick view of the trial balance from that customer. So we'll close out of that. And again, the reason of this demonstration was to show you how, as a business owner, I'm able to review the health of my business, identify trends and opportunities, review customer history, and manage the overall business. And the benefits are to, again, to improve productivity, make better decisions, and spend less time searching and more time dedicated to analysis.